can only make intention and do whatever is in our capacity. And we, as an organization, for your knowledge, Dr. Saab, have made intention to cover all 192 countries in 10 years. 192 countries, all countries which exist in 10 years. And now 2 years have passed, we have covered about 50 or more. 50 or more. Now still brothers are in Japan, coming back from there, then actually going to other countries every year, meaning so many, about 20 to 30. And there is a plan for 10 years. That is 10 years, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Madani period, he conveyed the message internationally. So we thought that now, as the means of travel is easier to plane, media, AI, everything is coming, it is easy to convey the message actually. And people have already over 50 countries. If you want to participate, if you want to gift a Quran or Qurans, so that the Jamaats which goes to Japan, for example, Brazil, Burkina Faso, for example, they've been there to these Malawi, Zimbabwe, and now they are already, there's one expedition there, one expedition coming back from Japan. Those countries which even we have not heard about. So this is an intention. So with 2 years, 50 countries are covered, and in 10 years, 192, and for non-Muslims as well, not to Muslims only. They don't go to Muslims only, also to non-Muslims actually, to share the message of peace that everyone must be. So there is a special organization which specializes in dawah to non-Muslims. It can't be just be given, say, brother, accept Islam. No. There is much more to it. So if someone wants the training in dawah to non-Muslim, they can ask the brothers, there's a special training for that. And it's completely different for people who are dawah to Muslim.